Is your TV or device's power light blinking and it's just not turning on? Don't panic. That little blinking light is actually trying to tell you something. In this video, I'll explain exactly what it means and show you how to fix it step by step, fast and easy. Step 1. Understand what the blinking light means. The blinking power light isn't random. It's your device's way of communicating a problem. If the light blinks continuously, it often means the system is stuck in standby mode or not receiving the right signal from the mainboard. If the light blinks a certain number of times and then pauses, that's an error code. 2 blinks can mean a power board issue, and 5 blinks may point to a system board fault. Each model uses its own pattern, so check your brand's official support page or manual. Always count the number of blinks. That's your first big clue to diagnose the issue. Step 2. Do a soft reset. Let's start with the simplest and safest fix, a soft reset. Unplug your device completely from the power socket. Wait for at least 60 seconds to let any leftover electric charge drain out. Now, press and hold the physical power button on your TV or device for 10 to 15 seconds, not the remote control. Step 3. Check cables and power source. Still blinking? Then it's time to check your power cables and source. Loose connections or faulty wires are often the hidden cause. Make sure the power plug fits tightly into the socket. Try connecting the TV or device to a different outlet or surge protector. Step 4. Factory reset or firmware update. If your device turns on but the blinking light continues, it may be a software glitch or outdated firmware. You can fix this with a factory reset or software update. Use your remote to go to Menu, System, Reset, or Update Software. If your TV is smart enabled, make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi before checking for updates. Step 5. Internal hardware issue. If none of these steps solve the problem, then the blinking light could be pointing to an internal hardware fault. This might involve a damaged power supply board, mainboard, or even bad capacitors inside the device. In such cases, it's best not to open the unit yourself. Internal parts store high voltage and can be dangerous. Contact your manufacturer's official service center or a qualified technician for professional repair. So that's what your blinking power light really means, and how to fix it step by step. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe bell for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment below if your issue got solved.